So what can you do now? Can you draw the cash flow diagram for this question? Boleh buat sekarang? Saya nak tengok macam mana. Alright, so this company is planning to run a project that requires an initial investment of 70,000. So what is initial investment means? What is this initial investment means? Apa dia?
Tahu doh.
Come on, bangun semua orang. Bangun.
Tak tahu.
Bangun. Apa initial investment tu? Macam mana? How can you show this initial investment of 70,000 on your cash flow diagram? Macam mana?
70,000 dia akan arrow ke bawah.
Okay. Prem, so can you share? Okay, the first value of 70,000 on the cash flow diagram. So can you share in WhatsApp, please, Prem? Orang lain mana? Bangun. Faiz, Daniel, Hazrul, Zaidatul, Arif. Bangun.
Ada doktor, ada.
Mana dia? Ada mana dia? Senyap macam gitu maksud dia tak ada. Come on, tunjuk dekat WhatsApp. Where's your cash flow diagram? Macam terjerit-jerit pula saya. Penatlah jerit-jerit ni. Abdul Muhyi, Abu Bakar, Adam Saifullah, mana awak? Afiq ni ada dua orang. Afiq Nazirul Naim, Afiq Rohaizam, Ahmad Al-Fuzail. Mana orangnya?
Kau kat kampung ni? Kat kampung ni?
Orangnya mana? Okay, thank you, Prem. Alright, that's good. Okay. Alright, sambung. Arif Yusof, bukan Arif Irfan.
Ya doktor.
Arif Yusof, lepas tu our next cost is operation cost 10,000 per year starting year 1 from the start of the project until the 5th year. So how can you draw this one? Arif Yusof, boleh? Chai Jinlin.
Aku dah tak bagi kelas sebelum ni, mana tahu bang.
Chai Jinlin, where are you? Are you talking to me, Chai Jinlin? I can hear. Okay, all right, good. So Chai Jinlin, so can you draw the third one, okay? The third one is starting on the second year onwards. The operation cost is expected to increase by 3,000 from the previous year. Okay. So can you draw this third one, Chai? Boleh?
Boleh doktor.
Alright, good. Very good.
Apa yang berlaku ni? Saya tidak tahu apa-apa.
Okay.
Dengar.
So can you share
Bayang lumat.
whatever you have drawn in the WhatsApp? Okay, and please copy what has been drawn by Prem. Okay, you are so lucky, Prem. You just did the first one. The first one always very easy. So that's why. Okay. So that's why it's very important to be the first person. The first person always be the lucky one. Touchy kan? Alright. So Arif. Okay. Arif dia tak boleh buat satu-satu macam gitu. Dia kena one block.
Mana? Tu level.
Dia kena panjangkan sikit
Ya, dia kena one block. Awak buat one block, okay. Starting from the start until the 5th year.
I will play till I'm dead, bitch.
Awak buat one block, lepas tu kat situ apa tu? A. So we can put that as A1. So Arif, yours is A1. A1 equals to 10,000. Alright?
Apa ni? Apa yang tak ada? Apa faham lah apa dia cakap operation estimator. Oh, cost kat atas Dia company 60,000 lihat.
And Chai, Chai Jinling, okay. Are you okay, Chai Jinling?
Ya, sedang buat Doktor.
Okay, do you have any difficulties?
Yes, so many difficulty. Malah aku masuk, tak faham lah. Saya tak faham, aku malas nak masuk. Cukup. Doktor bagus. Tak A tak tahu juga. Perintah yang berlaku ni aku tak tahu lah. Makan sial. Aku benci kau. Tak nak bayar tau. Boleh kan?
Okay, Arif, what you are doing is wrong. Okay, operation cost is not upward arrow. Operation cost is downward arrow. So Chai?
Yes, Doktor.
Okay, Chai, can you write inside the box what is actually happening to your block diagram? For G, you have the operation cost at 10,000 per year, right? And G is 3,000 per year, right? Roshaidi, yours is wrong. Betul, Chai? Am I correct? Roshaidi, Amir Roshaidi, yours is wrong. You just draw one block, not every year you draw a line. That is very annoying. Serabut lah, Amir. So, Chai?
Okay, Doktor. Saya buat.
So, can you understand what I'm saying?
Ya, boleh Doktor.
Okay, good, very good, Chai. All right. Dalila. Okay, saya suka nama Dalila. Right,
Yes, Doktor.
All right. Masa panggil nama je mesti panik.
Ada cara tahu saya panik.
Saya ni orang tua.
Tahu orang tu.
Nafas awak hembus pun saya awak Penny. Saya bukan ada depan awak lah Dalila.
Mana Kobe?
Awak nak panik tu kenapa?
Saya tak ada jawapan lah doktor. Saya nak bagi doktor, saya pun tengah buat.
Boleh buat tak soalan ni?
Entah, saya tengok-tengok jawapan dia orang. Saya tak tahu
Boleh
betul-betul.
Okey, cuba awak buat yang ni. Cuba tak tahu. Okay, awak buat this one This project will start to generate its first income of 60,000 on the second and third year. So this one is for you Dalila. So this one is very easy. Kalau dia cakap income, maksud dia the arrow must be pointing
Upward.
Mandai. Janganlah nak. Panik tu kenapa? Macam boleh mati lah. Alright, Faris, yes, okay. Faris Hafiz.
Yes, Doctor.
Okay. Awak punya tu tak selesai. Baca ayat dia tu, starting on the second year onwards, the operation cost is expected to increase by 3,000 from the previous year. Lepas tu dia berceritakan pasal operation cost yang 10,000 tu. Jadi awak kena combine dengan G. Maknanya cost dia tu meningkat. Boleh Faris?
Boleh, Doctor.
Sebab tu saya cakap dengan Chai tadi tu. Chai punya tu dia buat G. Sebab saya minta dia buat G je tadi kan. Tapi dia punya diagram block tu dah betul. Cuma dia punya Chai, you need to put your G value inside your block diagram. And you need to include the A. A equals to 10,000 and G equals to 3,000. Okay? So now we're waiting for Amirul Syaidi. Yours is wrong. Tahu kat mana salah?
Buat S block.
Itulah. Orang suruh makan sayur, pergi makan ayam kan. Kan otak dah tersumbat kan. Cuba kalau makan sayur.
Pasti tak ayam dah tu.
Kan nak pandai kena makan sayur tau. Aduh. Alright. So Dadilah, are you okay? Orang lain macam mana ni? Ada siapa nak volunteer tak? Okay, anybody? Volunteer to draw after the third year the income is expected to decrease. Alright? Due to competition. Okay, the income after the third year is 40,000 per year. Okay, Christopher, very good. But the 10,000, Christopher, answer me.
Yes, Doctor. Can you hear me?
Okay, the 10,000 must be inside the block. And you need to put the A. A equals to 10,000. And your 70,000 is actually your P note. That is initial cost. So initial cost must be P, present value. Okay? Alright, Chai?
Yes, Doctor.
Okay, are you okay?
Okay.
Alright, good. Alright, siapa nak buat ni? After the third year, the income is expected to decrease due to competition. And the income after the third year is 40,000. Siapa volunteer nak buat tu? Dalila dah siap? Belum. Anybody volunteer? Saya panggil nama lah Susah no lah awak ni nak volunteer. Macam boleh mati tau. Muhammad Alif. Muhammad Alif. Okey lah Muhammad Alif. Okey. Tak apalah, awak lambat jawab kan. Merajuk lah. Alif Muhaimin.
Ada.
Alif Muhaimin. Tak nak Muhammad Alif. Nak Alif Muhaimin. Merajuk, lambat jawab. Alif Muhaimin. Ada? Awak lukis? Tak dengar. On mikrofon.
Aku. Betul ni.
Okey. Siapa Goji? Alif Muhaimin, saya tak dengar awak. Okey.
Hello?
Ya, hello. Alif Muhaimin, awak buat ni kan? Yang 40,000 tu.
40,000.
Goji Z.
Habis aku. Yang penting Mat.
Ya, doktor.
You are so kind. You just help Dalila. Dalila,
Yes, doktor.
Gojizi has drawn the block diagram of 6.
Tak apa.
Tak ada senang hidup awak ada orang cover. Okay. Alright. Okay, Rushaidi boleh. Tapi sebenarnya Rushaidi, your A dengan G tu does not necessarily to have the line to separate A and G. You just draw one block. You don't need to separate A and G. Okay, Rushaidi?
Okay, doktor.
Alright, what GoGZ has drawn is correct. Alright, thank you. Well, by the way, GoGZ, you should write your 10,000 and your 3,000 for G inside the block. You write A equals to 10,000 and G equals to 3,000. And that one is A1. Can we put that as A1? A1 equals to 10,000. And for the 60,000, you put A2. Boleh?
Okay, doktor.
Alright, good. Okay, Alif Muhaimin. Muhammad Alif nak bantu Alif Muhaimin. Okay. Draw the block diagram of 40,000. Which happen, okay, that 40,000 is actually income after the third year until the end of the project cycle. Muhammad Alif, nak tolong Alif Muhaimin?
Saya try jap.
Bagus. Cuba tu yang penting. Alif Muhaimin?
Ya, doktor.
Mana jawapan awak?
Tengah buat ni.
Lama nol. Yes?
Dia akan ada satu gradient ke doktor untuk 3 to 4 sebabkan decrease tu?
Tak ada.
Tak ada, okay.
That's because if you put a gradient, it must have the value. But there's no value to say that what happened between year 3 to year 4. If there is no value, meaning that you can have two separate blocks.
Okay, doktor. Understood.
Okay, good. Okay, good. Thank you. Welcome. Good question. Okay, Alif Muhaimin. Alif Muhaimin dia tak cakap pun yang 40,000 tu dia bermula dari tahun 3. Baca soalan after the third year. Okay. After the third year. Maknanya bukan tahun ketiga. After the third year means starting at the year 4. Alif Muhaimin. Ya. Orang ni kan, ya Allah. Hai. Cara menjawab tu macam, bosan dah. Duk manggil-manggil ni. Okay, please do correction for that block of 40,000, Alif Muhaimin. Alright, so can someone, kita panggil Go Jizi lah. Go Jizi, will you please complete the cash flow diagram for this question?
Syamat, ambil aku.
Boleh, Go Jizi.
Okay, I buat sekarang.
Ada aku ni
Nama awak apa Go Jizi? Tak best lah panggil Go Jizi.
Jessie.
Jessie. Saya dah agak dah mesti ada nama-nama sedap. Yes, Jessie. Rushaidi, yours is wrong. There is no statement in the question saying that the G value, the decrement of the income for the year 3 to 4 is 20,000. There is no statement. So never put the value of G equals to 20,000. That is very wrong because if you put G equals to 20,000, that happened between year 3 and year 4, meaning that you need to do some calculation on that. So what will happen to the overall value of the answer will be different. So it is very dangerous if you put that assumption. Never ever put assumption in engineering economy topics. You just need to draw whatever value given to you only. Okay, Amir Rushaidi?
Baik.
Terlebih makan ayam lah ni, suruh makan sayur tak ada. Cuba kalau makan sayur, tak ada je macam gitu. Stewart?
Ya, saya.
Who is Stewart? Yeah, Stewart. Okay, Stewart, yours is wrong. For the 40,000, it does not happen only 1 year. It is stated, okay, in the question, after the third year, the income is expected to decrease. Okay, and the income after the third year is 40,000 per year. The project, however, can only run for 5 years, meaning that the income for the third year up to 5th year is 40,000. Stewart?
Oh, so kena lukis satu garisan lagi ke 5th year?
Yes, you need to have a block, okay?
Okay, faham.
Okay, alright. Well, Muhammad Alif, okay, Muhammad Alif, yours is correct. Okay, there is another one, okay, statement here. So this one, salvage value. Can you forget to put the salvage value? Alright, Abu apa ni?
Oh, bakar.
Abu apa?
Saya tak.
Abu Bakar, okay. Abu Bakar pun sama salvage value of 50,000. You forget to put that.
Baiklah tak.
Alright, good, very good. So Dalila?
Ya, Doktor.
Okay, dah. Boleh. Faham. Jangan main kopi je. Jangan main kopi. Awak jangan tengok dulu jawapan kawan awak tu. Awak cuba draw dulu, lepas tu semak. Yasmin.
Yasmin Todd.
Mana Yasmin ni?
Ya, saya.
Yasmin Khair. Okay, yours is correct. Alright. Okay, good. Yasmin got it correct. Jessie got it correct. Yeah, okay, that's good. Alright, so what we would like to do now is try to solve this problem. Okay.
I'm engineering you.
Sekejap
I'm engineering you. I'm. Apa kau menghafal dia? Tiba je menghafal. Pelik-pelik. Kenapa pelik doh?
Alright, so this is mine. Alright. Okay. I shall put the value inside the box, okay? Everything must goes inside the box. So this one is actually the A2, this one is A3, okay? So ini silap So this one is actually P note. Alright, so this is P note and this one is A1. So I must put inside the box, okay? So this is A2, this is A3, and this one is F. Okay, and everything must goes inside the box. All right, everything must goes inside the box. All right, now, okay. All right, so let's see the question. Okay, another company, Stegi, is interested in the project and is willing to buy over the project and is offering 30,000. The growth rate is 20%, which is I equals to 20%. Construct the cash flow diagram and decide if Orient Private Limited should accept this offer. Show all your calculation to support your decision. So what is actually happening? Okay, so now you are here. So this is you. You are here. Okay. All right. So what you want to calculate is P total. P total at n equals to 0. This project is actually does not taking effect yet. So this is actually your plan, okay, your plan of your company, and if you run this project, so these are the costs that will incur to your expenses, and at the same time, which is at n equals to 0, there is another company ni nama apa? Another company nama apa? Sagi. Alright. Sagi. So Sagi. Lambatlah pula. Sekejap
Saya pakai bullshit.
Okay. Sagi offers 30,000. Alright. So your decision. Okay.
Saya boleh jawab je, betul decision right.
Accept or reject. Okay. How can you accept decision? Okay, if your P total, okay, if your P total less than Sagi, meaning that you accept. Why? What does it mean by P total? The P total means the present worth, cost. Faham tak?
Faham.
Okay. So kalau P total less than SEGI offers, okay, meaning that you just sell your company and accept 30,000 from SEGI. If your P total, okay, greater than SEGI,
Sungguh beria dan pelik. Beria dan pelik. Beria, pelik dan
terbalik ke saya ni?
dan workaholic.
Betul lah. Is your present worth is greater than whatever offered by SEGI?
Targeted.
So you can reject SEGI offer because actually you can enjoy more than 30,000. Boleh faham?
Tak. Could you please
Boleh faham?
explain?
So your P total, if you want to, okay, so P total we are talking now is a P total positive or P total negative?
Positif.
Faham tak soalan saya? So, okay, you said you understood. You want to accept offers from SEGI if your P total less than what has been offered by SEGI. So P total we are talking here is P total income or expenditure. Income lah. Orang lain faham tak?
Oh, dia maksudnya kalau
Anda faham?
dia macam interval kan?
Ataupun anda sedang tidur sekarang ni, ataupun anda tak kisah apa nak jadilah. Ini soalan test 2 ni, test 2 nanti 20% tau. So 10% will be coming from engineering economy topics and your final exam. Okay, ada 40% kan? 40%, okay, then 10% out of 20, out of 40 for your final exam coming from engineering economy topic. Tak faham dalam kelas memang akan
makan nasi lauk.
tak boleh buat soalan ni. Bukan nak menakut-nakutkan. Nak cerita. Situasi sebenar yang berlaku every semester.
Ceritalah.
So faham tak decision dia ni? Alright, so now, okay. Tak faham tak apa. Mungkin lepas ni awak akan faham lah kot. Bila kita slowly kita pergi ni kan. Alright, so now apa yang kita nak buat adalah you have P note. So your P note, okay, your P total, okay, saya tulis kat sini So your P total is actually equals to P note, alright, plus P1, okay, plus P2, plus P3, plus P4. Alright. So this A1 you need to convert to P1. So this A2 you need to convert to P2. This A3 you need to convert to P3. So this F you need to convert to P4. Alright. So your P note equals to berapa?
P note equals 70,000.
Your P notes. Your P at year 0 equals to minus 70,000. Dah dapat dah satu. Lepas tu your P1. Alright. So your P1, okay, has A and G. So you want to determine P, okay. So P is unknown, P1 is unknown, A and G are known. So which pair of formula you need to use for this situation? Nak saya panggil nama ke? Pair 1, pair 2, pair 3. How many pairs of formula do we have? There are 5 pairs, okay? While you are solving this, while you are solving economic engineering problems, you need to have in front of you those 5 pairs of formula. That helps you to answer the question. And I want to see every single step of the calculation. I don't want to see you plug in the value and the final answer. No. Because I cannot see what is actually happening to your calculator. You need to write down what is actually happening to your calculator. Alright, so for P1, okay, the P1 is unknown. You wanted to determine the value of P1, but you know the value of A1 and G. So which pair of formula you need to use this time?
What formula? I don't see any
4A dengan 4B kan doktor?
Dia sama ada A or B je.
Oh.
Salah satu.
4A doktor.
4A.
Yes, 4A. So can you substitute that
Mana 4A?
into the formula and share your answer?
What the fuck? Mantuknya, Asok Azim. Boleh lah tidur banyak. 7. Tak berfaham je tahu lah. Tak dapat power flat tak tahu lah. Tak ada, exercise sikit. Ada pun aku pakai buat tak pergi pun. Tak faham. Apalah, ini boleh sedap.
Okay, anybody? The answer could be coming from anybody. Siapa yang belum share answer ni kan, ni siapa ni? Yasmin ni bagus. Lisi ni bagus. Tak panggil nama dia tapi dia volunteer bagi jawapan. Abu ni bagus. Amirul Hakim ni pun bagus. Saya tak panggil nama dia tapi dia bagi jawapan. Oh macam ni lah yang kita nak. Proaktif. Ini panggil nama baru nak bagi. Boleh? Siapa ada problem boleh share. Boleh bagi tahu apa masalah awak.
Ya, Sal. Ada Apa ramai di pantai? Siapa pula ni? Siapa pula yang jemput diorang? Mereka tak pro. Tapi aku Syahir okey ke? Bukan mana? Lebih Faidi semua macam ni.
Mana semua orang ni? Semua senyap ni? Ada ke tak ada? Wujud ke tak wujud ni?
Kau tak dapat main Kang? Kalis Naim Daus Amin.
Okay, switch on your camera now.
Anak aku kat kamera dalam tak faham.
Alright. Switch on your camera. Everybody switch on your camera now.
Sudah, mana soal aku?
Okay, thank you Faiz. Okay, Chen Chunyo, thank you. Stewart, thank you. All right. Christopher, thank you. Alfuzel, thank you. Tak payah tak payah betulkan rambut, tak payah betulkan baju, tak payah betulkan, tak apa. Asal jangan bogel sudah. Alright. So can I have, okay, Prime, thank you. Can I have your answer? Okay, Amir Rushaidi, thank you. So can I have your answer for P1? Boleh share dekat WhatsApp? Tak, kenapa sampai sekarang belum ada yang bagi jawapan ni? Tahu ke tak tahu nak buat?
Tengah tulis tu.
Tengah tu, okay, Suhail, alright, Suhail. Alright, your P1. $14,000. Yes, Suhail.
Oh, it says Suhail. Suhail is the best. Suhail is the best.
Okay, your 14,000 is for G, Suhail. Okay, that's correct. Okay, what about A? Okay, ni siapa ni? Prem. Okay, that is for G. Yang A tu berapa? That is for G. Okay, that is correct. Okay, thank you, Suhail. Thank you, Prem. Okay, G gives you 14,708. All right. Okay, Suhail and Prem. Okay. I want everybody to take note my comment here. Okay, now everybody, can you please refer to your WhatsApp? Okay, refer to answer from Suhail and Prem. Okay, Suhail, okay, where are you, Suhail? I can see Prem here, but I cannot see Suhail. Suhail, where are you, Suhail?
I'm here, Doctor.
Okay, kenapa tak on camera? Tak boleh on camera Okay, so, okay, sorry Suhail and Prem. My intention is not criticizing your answer, but I want to make your answer better so that you will get full mark for it. All right, when you answer this question, make sure you give the value of, what is the value of 1 plus 0.2, a power of 5. You need to give the value of that. And you also need to give a value, okay, yours is a better Prem, but you need to give the value of the difference between 2.99 and 2.00 something, okay? You need to give the difference between those two values. Then if multiplied by 15,000, you will get 14,000, something like that. Okay, because I wanted to see what is actually happening in your calculator. If you give me an answer like this, I'm sorry, I cannot give you full mark for that. Okay, Amir Rushaidi, jangan termenung.
Maksudnya tak boleh kira terus lah, Doktor, dalam kalkulator.
Saya tak tengok kalkulator awak. Kan? Yang nampak kalkulator awak tu siapa? Awak seorang je kan? Yang nak bagi markah siapa? Saya kan? Tunjuklah kat saya. Jawapan menyampah kan? Memang menyampah lah nak dapat markah penuh kan? Kenalah buat kerja sikit. Alright? Okay. Faham Alright. So the A, the answer for A. What you have given is G. I want the answer for A. Ada orang buat?
Cuba lah pening buku kau. Nak dua tengah.
Faris ke buat? Amir Rushaidi ke buat?
Cuba
The answer for A.
Ada Pak? Penat.
Okay.
Saya tak IT 0.2 lah.
Orang lain macam mana? Awak tak tanya, saya tak tahu awak faham ke, awak tak faham ke, saya tak tahu. Jadi awak kena bagi tahu saya kat mana awak tak faham.
6.2. Is equal to what?
Alright. So can I have the answer for A? Ada? Dah ada orang dapat? Okay, Prime. Sekejap Awak cari jawapan apa ni, Prem? You are not looking the answer for A, Prem. You are looking the answer for P. Salah. Aduh, penatlah macam ni. Salah tu. Oh, awak guna je nombor tu the value of 40. Salah. Mana formula dia ni? You must
Sorry Doktor, silap.
you must use the value of 10,000. Kena tulis formula tu betul-betul.
Huh?
Are you sure you got your formula correct, Prem?
No Doktor, I actually used the wrong one. Sorry Doktor. Sorry Doktor, I just realized. Sorry.
Tak, kenapa awak panik ke? Ini bukan, this is not test and final exam yet. Tak payah panik pun.
Apa babi? Tak ada dos sial. Aku serabut dulu dengan subjek. Matilah kuyu dah ni. Ni dah tak buat je lah. Mana bersyukur tak? Aduh. Part mana ada part pula tu. Tuk. What the fuck? Tambah pula ni 299. Mana hang dapat 299? Jibaka tu lah. Macam tu lah. Babi betul lah juga. Prime Manhattan. Allah Akbar. Masih tunggu.
Okay, so what is the answer for P1?
Siapa? Nyanyi apa?
Okay, Stewart, why you want to find the value of A? Given value of G and you wanted to find the value of A.
Bukan doktor cakap tadi nak cari A?
Bukan.
Oh, sekejap. Saya snap P lah. Saya ada kira.
So can you, okay, have you referred to the correct formula?
Bukan.
Tadi saya ada buat P juga.
Jangan main kira-kira tau. Tengoklah formula betul-betul. Alamak, risaulah orang ni. Alright, you refer to which pair? Pair number 3 or pair number 2? This one. Is this pair number 2 or pair number 3? This one. You wanted to find the value of P where A is given and G is given to you. So this
Pair number 2, Doctor.
pair number 2, is it 2A or 2B? Okay, so this is the one that you want to determine. All right. Okay, Stewart?
Okay. Yep.
Okay, all right, good.
Tu tak banyak nak A apa, babi. Anak tu lah cakap. Pak. P1. Macam ni penjadah. Pada ni salah. Allahu Akbar, Allah. Tu tak aku pisang apa nyanyi azan Asyad. Kakak udah main. Siapalah bodohnya. Dia boleh nyanyi babak. Sonok tu kelasnya boleh nyanyi baik. Bodoh siap. Kelakar juga.
Alright, Amir.
Babi aja semua benda lah sial.
Yes. So, okay, the A actually gives you P equals to 29,903. Oh, jauh sangat lah Amir dari, well. My answer, Amir, my answer is 29,960. 29,960. And yours is 29,903.
Dia tak faham berapa dia buat ni.
So you missing almost 60,000.
Dia tunjuk je cara dia buat. Betul kita boleh faham.
So you missing almost 60,000. So mungkin dalam
Bukan RM60
bukan. RM60. RM60. Alah kecil je kan?
Oh. Dia tak awak.
Boleh lah. Boleh lah kecil je.
Sebab tak kira terus ke Doktor?
Banyak apa?
Sebab kan macam kira 1 plus I power n, lepas tu ada decimal yang dah buang.
Ya, betul. You are correct. So what is the total for P1? Okay, can you give me the total for P1?
Oh, aku malas dah benda ni. Mampus lah.
So P1 is minus. So can I get the value for P1?
Naik. Faham dua lagi ni, dia dah aku awal. Faham macam mana yang dipakainya, apa yang berlaku, aku tahu. Memang aku fail. Dan aku bersyukur kepada Wan Nazdah. Babek.
Sekejap, Efren. 44,600.
Ku tak faham apa yang berlaku.
Yes, is mine is yours is 44,624. Lebih kurang lah. Mine is 44,678. 678.
Oh, apa yang kira A sebagai tadi? Cibai.
Boleh lah, as long as number 6 ni correct, so correct lah. Alright, okay. Now coming, okay. So can we determine the P4 first, okay? You need to determine the P4 that because P4, when you want to bring, when you want to see the present value of this 50,000, so you can use the formula of P and F. Okay, that's straight away you can get the value of P for the F equals to 50,000. Okay, for A2 and A3, so these two are the non-conventional. So we need to calculate later on. So can we just, we calculate the P4 first. All right, what's the value for P4? Okay.
Formula satu je.
All right, can I get the value for P for a salvage value of 50,000 at the end of year 5?
Yang salvage value tu deh. Hello. Salvage value tu apa? Alright. Penat aku tahu lah. Aku lost dia.
20,093.
Yes, 20,000. Mine, I got mine which is 20,000.
Babi ni question
95.
Kotel lah.
Right, lebih kurang lah tu. Lebih kurang. Alright, so next we want to calculate A2. Alright, kita padam dulu Sekejap ya, kita padam sikit bagi dia tak serabut. Okey, sekejap ya, kita padam dulu bagi dia tak serabut.
Penyanyi ngantuk semua ada.
Alright, so kita buat yang ni dulu Alright, so this one is A3, okay. So this A3 that happened for the year 2 to year 3, okay. So you cannot determine present worth for A3 equals to 60,000 at n equals to 0. Why? Because it does not happen at year 1. So what you need to do, you need to determine P2 at year 1 first. So here P2 is equals to P prime, alright? So for the P2 prime is unknown and A is known, okay? You can use the formula per number 2. Am I right? So for this one, I equals to 20,000. And what is N? For P2 prime, what is N? Okay, at P2 prime at N equals to 1. So your N that involved in the calculation is equals to 2. Because it is for the year 2 and year 3. So 2, 3. 2 lah. So N equals to 2. Okay. So can you determine the value of P prime here? Boleh? Boleh eh?
Aku nak belah tu, tak faham macam apa yang berlaku ni. Kau dah masuk formula tu ke? Formula tu ada banyak Ada apa? Ada 5. Ada banyak Sekejap, tak banyak. Sekejap. Betul je apa tahu. Biar apa yang berlaku. Mesti seronoknya. Aku dah bersyukur Syah. Dulu dah bersyukur. Nak cara kau semua elok lah. Dah cara kau semua elok. Dah cara kau semua elok. Dah cara aku teruk. Dah cara kau paling best di dunia.
Okay, dah. Right. If you determine the value of, okay, is it 44,000? 44,000 yang mana? Okay, bukan.
Kenapa Syah?
Alright, can you write your name for your attendance, for today's attendance? Okay, nama sekarang
Betul dah. Kau mau cantik gelas saya tengok. Bersyukur dan patutnya boleh dapat A lah. Kena pukul balik yang pernah Jawa pada muka babi.
Alright. Amin, boleh dapat. So what is the P2 prime?
Saya salah tu.
Okay, tak apa. Cuba lagi.
Dapat 91,000 kata.
91,000, alright. So 91 saya letak 291. Alright. So now you want to determine, so this is unconventional situation So once you have the value of P2 prime and you want to determine P2 at N equals to 0, so automatic dia dah jadi conventional situation. So you want to determine the value of P2 and you already calculated the value of P2 prime. If you want to determine the value of P2, so automatic this P2 prime dah jadi F value. Okay, boleh? Alright. So what is P2 value? Faham ya?
Boy, saya premi. Sumpah juga. FIFA aku dapat. Kau buat punya anjir. Tak suka lah cara mengajar macam ni. Buat penat student je doh. Kau faham pun.
Doktor,
Yeah.
value n apa pula ya doktor? Kalau untuk kita jadikan dia sebagai
Yes, for this one, n equals to 1.
Why? Cannot exercise.
Faham eh? So, okay, everybody, you got it correct for n.
Benda entah aku tak tahu, memang aku blank as fuck. Main cerita je lah. Ada yang kena buka balik.
Okay. So what is P2?
76,000.
Yes, you got it correct. So P2 equals to 76,000. Right, that's correct. So for P3, okay, so this P2 is positive because the arrow pointing upward. So for the P2, my answer is 76,386. All right. So for P3, okay, you can use the same method as P2. What you need to do, you need to determine P3 prime at n equals to 0. Then, if you want to determine P3 at n equals to 0, okay, you must regard this P3 prime as your F. Okay? Pandai. Cepat aja kamu dapat Okay, very good. Okay, can you determine the value for P3? Then we calculate the total value.
Salah apa yang berlaku man. Yang fail dulu aku AI. Ya aku rasa aku fail dulu AI. Tolong aku dulu nanti. Aku macam ni. Aku rasa aku fail dulu AI. Lost gila. Tolong aku nanti. Itu buat jaga skill cepat lah.
Okay. You got it correct, Roshadi, for P3, for P2. Okay.
Prem cari apa ni Prem?
Doktor, N dia ambil 4
Untuk P3,
prime.
N dia 1. 4, 5. Sorry, 2. Untuk P3 prime, N dia 2. 4, 5. 2 lah. Angkat tangan awak. 4, satu jari. 5, satu jari. 2. Okay.
Kenyangnya makan jadi banyak sangat kau bagi aku. Menangis. Dah tengok semalam. Puisi tak? Kau kenal Syafiq Ghazali ni siapa? ML. Aku rasa member dia troll dia je.
Okay. No, Prem, your P3 is not 30,000.
Apa jawapannya? 1000 ke pula?
Yours is wrong, Prem.
Why is wrong, bitch?
P3 should be 35,365. P3 is 35,365.
Mana tak makan nak diet. Biasa mak diet korang ni. Bosan sial. Dah lah bosan. Tak faham tu. Bukan sangat bosan, aku tak faham sebab doktor tu sendiri. Doktor aku macam doktor kau macam doktor. Kalau doktor aku macam doktor kau, siapa habis? Sebab aku bersemangat dan faham. Tak faham ni tak tahu cakap apa lah. Dah, godok lah. Kalau aku tak di-enjoy, semua marah-marah. Apa yang kau buat ni Anat? What the fuck? Kenapa tu baby? Baby boo.
Doktor nak tanya
Boleh.
untuk setiap calculation nak minimum decimal point.
Tak kisahlah decimal point tu.
Oh, so
Decimal point tu tak ni sangat. Even the last 2 digits so you got it wrong pun macam okay lah. Sebab kadang-kadang awak tersalah ambil decimal points lah apa kan. So kita selalunya the last 2 digits tu tak sama, kita masih boleh diambil kira betul.
Kalau macam RM60 tadi tak lepas lah doktor.
Tak kisah sangat lah. Tapi macam besar jugalah kan? Macam besar kan?
Yang darab macam
Alright, okay. Ya, betul. So what is your P total? Okay, can I have a P total? Yes, Amir, you got it correct, 35,000. Alright. Okay.
Dah tu Mat, penat lah Mat.
Alright, can you calculate the P total? Orang lain macam mana ni? Saya risaulah. Yang jawab ni orang tu, yang bertanya pun orang tu, yang lain ni tak tahulah wujud ke tak wujud.
Wujud.
Zarif Ashraf. Zarif. Zarif Ashraf tak wujud Zulhasni. Muhammad Daniel mana? Daniel Bentugi mana? Danish Irfan. Danish Irfan.
Ya doktor.
Daniel Bentugi mana?
Ada doktor.
Ada. Apa P total awak?
Ya doktor.
Daniel Ben Omar.
Ada doktor.
Apa P total awak?
Ya doktor. Dengan kira ni.
Norwifa Hima.
Yes doktor.
Mana P total awak?
Sekejap, tengah kira je.
Ashraf bin Ahmad Bahrom. Zaidatul. Afiq Rohaizam mana? Afiq Rohaizam.
Ada doktor.
Aiman Hakim. Hakim mana? Takif. Zarif Ashraf. Ini senyap ni tak wujud dah ni wujud nama je Okay, no problem. Saya tak kisah. Awak nak tipu saya tak kisah. Sebenarnya awak bukan tipu saya. Awak tipu diri awak. Saya tak rugi apa-apa. Awak tak datang kelas saya tak rugi apa-apa. Yang ruginya awak. Okay, Ashraf kita ada dua Seorang lagi Ashraf bin Azlan. Okay, Ashraf bin Azlan mana? Okay. Dia tunggu je kan bila nak bagi nama ni kan. Dah bagi nama sambung tidur lah, sambung apa semua sambung tak apa, no problem. Okay. Alright, so can I get the P total? Then we can, okay, once you get the P total value, then we can make decision. Alright. So P total, okay, make sure, okay, it doesn't matter. It can be positive or negative value. If it is positive, then what you should do? If positive more than 30,000, you can reject the SEGI offers because you can get more revenues from your investment. Okay. All right. Okay, that's good, Amir Roshaidi. All right, okay, Stewart too. All right, the P total is 17,000. Okay, so what? Okay, it looks like you will not get much benefit or much profit for the project. So what you need to do, you simply accept offers given by SEGI. All right, so that is what you should write in the final answer. Okay, okay, good. Everybody understood? All right, the second part. Okay, so for this chapter, okay, this chapter covers the conventional and non-conventional situation, all right? So we have completed the conventional and non-conventional situation. All right, the second part, okay, for this chapter is capitalized cost, okay? Okay, I don't intend to cover the capitalized cost now, okay? I would like to start this on Wednesday, all right? So this capitalized cost is also a very popular question for every semester, be it during test or final exam, you will always get the question related to capitalized cost, all right? So we will cover this capitalized cost on Wednesday. Then we proceed to next one, which is the okay, for the combined factor, we almost completed. Okay, we have completed all the combined factor. All right. So finally, okay, the third one is so this one is effective and nominal growth. Okay. All right, and we also have one chapter that is what we call it, kejap saya tengok. Part 3, we put that as part 3. Okay, so this one, we put that as part 3, Yeah. Okay, we also have this part 3, okay. So this is actually methods to evaluate alternatives. So this one actually, there is no new knowledge for this part, all right. We just use whatever knowledge that we have covered so far. But this chapter specifically, in this chapter 3, is actually for you, is going to be exposed to the methods to evaluate alternatives. Actually, these notes actually is a self-explanatory notes, okay. I don't even have to explain to you. You can understand by yourself by read through all the notes, okay. Ini awak dah ada dalam e-learning kan? Alright. Okay, so kita tutup semua dan alright. Okay, if you look, okay, at your calendar, okay, next week, okay, Monday, yes, Monday, we're going to have a public holiday, okay. So there will be no class. There will be, okay, we're going to miss 2 hour slot. All right, okay. And you're going to have 2 homework. All right. You're going to have 2 homework from this chapter. Okay. I will give you 2 homeworks for this chapter, and this chapter has to be submitted before your test 2. And your test 2, okay, will be on 26th of June, okay. And your chapter 2 is going to cover chapter 12, okay. There will be question 1 from chapter 12, okay. Sekejap ya. All right, there will be question 1, 5% on chapter 12, inventory management, and chapter 14. Okay, remember your homework too for chapter 14. So chapter 14 will be covered in final exam. All right, and question 2, 5% will be coming from chapter 3, project management. All right, and question number 3, 10%, okay, will be coming from engineering management. So your engineering economy. So your engineering economy, okay, actually give weightage half of your test 2. 10% from engineering economy, 5% from chapter 12 inventory management, and 5% from chapter 3, which is project management. So I will give 2 homeworks, and that 2 homeworks I will give separate deadlines of submission for those 2 questions, and I will make sure before your test 2, I will share the answer. Only the answer, the final answer, not the detailed workings for the solution. I will not give that. Okay, for your homework 1, homework 2, homework 2 tu saya akan bagi jawapan sebelum final exam. Homework 1, homework 3 and homework 4. And you also going to have a homework 5. Selepas kita cover engineering economy topic. Okay, ada soalan so far?